Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix TeamViewer is not ready. Please check your connection error. So let's have a look now. At first, ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. Check if other internet-dependent services or websites are accessible. You can close TeamViewer completely and reopen it. Sometimes restarting the application can resolve temporary glitches or connectivity issues. And ensure you are using the latest version of TeamViewer. Check for updates within the application or download the latest version from the official TeamViewer website. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.